Ediba Rash Media GH so on this beautiful day, Sunday. Baby Obiana, Chanepa. Now, there is something going on today since yesterday. In this primacy, I think say table nasisa. Ehu abeta man for so panic. Apiem ewo sabio can't be. Afraid ye or Masha say play victim card. Encrophone or modi and send seven to trust some shas here by and ne omo a play victim card. Ayomo to said ye and no be treated and no be just say and no bra. Abusia yenyina yeti fie ha campaign we sha ase yene mu nyina da bia fie ha ye hia di nkomo yenyina ye hu kwan ya nipa binom efa so ehye omu campaign ase omu amfa nhya ase ne omu de hya ase 2023 atemudie Miriam Evans Jaben no akwa abapa na Evans doku we ye so betimi agina me yadi nkomo de Moba aya munsu enyansa o because munsu enyansa no ba se na me di mu atem saa na ma forget the ha Evans doku jimi it se o kwase ampanyi it se wo begina me platform asatwere de ope kwase a jimi ni aya wo dampotom enyansa be ne tim o ma memfa na ya se nkowai kurasi ni ba kwana kosu enyansa nso me platform wo so wa ba so why misra wa abusanfo menimu nyina ena sha ase eye campaign we ewo platform kese we so ye sha ase ache na nyina nim se since platform we e sha ase a ye bo campaign a ye koso hu dawuro no da bia tumi de bibi kire mo se Dr. Bawumia ekoba bia the oyo no se okan obetumi ayo de akire sabio delegacy for na okan de obetumi aya titro mu no obetumi abaja party abedrum pempenso obi amyetimi agitumi yenyina yenim ensama yewura Bawumia ekandinante de nam so nti amonto abama no the opeso mra meyom fama sabio pa MPP amanyu koyi na yentumi nyina ye nanso na yenkoto aba 2028 na yenkogitumi mfamra ye party nya ba me nya bema ye share ase sense a na nando danko akufu ado ye na adwene se ode na mamuo ana ase ni tumi ana ne bre ebeba na wiye party we are yetimi enipa sabio otrati party na odi ntrotrasem kasa ehya ase edi your campaign one PP party man ne Kennedy Agyapong ye nyina yenim but ne minim dia ba papa yi one me nkrofo ba hya ase be yo be ho te se de nipa binum ne bede sabio threaten be kobeso se hu nyina ho bekaya so wo nyina ho bekaya 2023 na nando danko akufu ado na otia konwam enti ya papa ise aban e the power aban e the aban mutumi e for so sabio MP sini ministers ni MC for ni PC for ni DC for say omunyina omunkoto ba mfama Dr. Bawumia ensem nyina papa we kan ni nyina in 2023 obi anka ne hwe obi bia anye dai anka ne hwe but ene medwere ho amenti asese okọ media yi mu a ye wura ise amanfo threat no papa yo o se amanfo threat no Beno a yɛwɔ ha nyinaa yɛbɛka sɛ papa wei ɔsan so kaa sɛ sɛbio nkramofoɔ asɔrefoɔ nto aba mfa mma nkramofoɔ ɔno a ɛna kaeɛ papa yi san kɔgyina baabi kaa sɛ yɛntumi ntena hɔ ba nɔtenesefoɔ ɔmo mma yɛ dɛn ɛmma mmɛdi Ghana so mahama wɔ hɔ ade nti Bawumia so no yɛnto aba ma no mfa ɛmma no mmra mmɛdi Ghana man so ɛsɛ mo yɛ a mekan ɛnyɛ me na mebu me tim aka ɛyɛ papa yi ankasa na no mu nsɛm a ɛwɔ media mu ɔpa mɛbɔ ne nyinaa de akyerɛw na bɛsɛ 3 days ago na ano papa yi kɔ America me wɔ ne video a mɛbɔ akyerɛw na watie nsɛm a na ɔka nsɛm a na ɛfiri Canada Agyapong na no mu ba te sɛ ɔyɛ no ho te sɛ deɛ only the only man in the party. Papa utimi ko gyina platform so ka kyerɛ Ghana for say waban mu mpanfo ya akromfo ɔmo wia te sɛ de ɔkyena ni hɔ ne hwan ne hwan ɛnɛ utimi kwa san twa ho a begyina ka sɛ enipa bi no yɛ dirty politics hey na sa na wi asete ɛyɛ asebo atempa ken ne nkrofo pa de die wura na nado dankwa kufu ado Dr. Muhammadu Bawumia the finance minister ene mpanfo bi mo omo aka Mps binom owura ya wasensu bu ache nom hawa kumsem nom chese papa ya di nkrofo mo party mo atema up to down na wonim de asi ni se ne Canada Agyapong koye sabio fake post begu abonten say okoye fake post ebegu abonten say sabio ono lidi na Musa dan kwa so ede ono nso ne de ba ye kire say ono kra ne say okwakoda 17% na eno akire nso 65 Mps begyina bonten boldly eka say da bi ye de ene Bawumia ne ye koro ama papa na hu say afi we ne wie na obewe no mu oduru pa na da bia me ka kire say se yeto aba ne wie a ye won nsem bi no ho ameda na di niema bi no mu koso wo party no mu a eye system a ye wo photocopy of Canada Agyapong wo campaign na ye no etika Canada Agyapong ne numbers no nya na last year no ebi beti akoba bi eye normal David Achempo mi nya mo akwa papa ihu say da bi this time there quantity said ye call last year na ene Canada Agyapong ne nkrofo a omo na omudidi amamfo atem omo sha ase edi a kind of internal expose edi omo campaign this time obetie omo say omo ye victims of the by omo say victims of what we call tribal politics, any religious politics. Omo to make ka kura be say esi say obi didi Canada Agyapong atem enti enyem wani wo ken ne nkrofo enti mo nka de mayo kwan a mo fa so a mo share mo campaign ase Bawumia na yere Samira Bawumia atema mo di omo tani ne hwan na hwan ensensem a mo kan gu papa iso entro ene atem di nyira achi ene Canada Agyapong hu se wawie no ene de odi aba ne se oye victim to political insult tiemiye pa papa ne hu se wawie because osha ase se oye ne campaigner ne message odi ma delegates ene se obebie factories abena party ni wo ho a ye pe kwan ya be fa so obetimi build the party na party na ba be kra behwe enipa we dey say ono dey build the factories na se bi yankoto ayeda se party na esi no wan kan mom ama party na ngira ne nan so a wo be ye den na wo ba be di president na na ye enye yie but enam so onim how to manage people, group of people, a political party leadership. Onim on tiasientino. Onim said to say kotobeton. Enti message no de man microphone wa bontre delegation or mompe. Afun won. They don't understand him. Papa no say the message na ton sum campaign na ton sum no. Say no, he wants to jump into the victim side. Say no or your victim to a political insult. Abusia akwa we wachimi do ma memroko no oyekwasi ampanyi. Yeah, okay. Yeda yankopon ase. Ai. Enipa ne biru mo ha ombo tie but adwene na do mutim no. E jimi pa tie pa. Yanto aso na yenko yani na yenka yensem ayeka. Papa no hu se ni campaign na to nsuom no. Washa asese obeye ade bi oba beye ne ho te se de oye victim bi ayese de obi tata no ayese obi mpese obema ne kwan amana ye de opese onyo ene na meduna me se na why na tata Kennedy Agyapong before na ye share campaign as in 2023 no na akwa say Dr. Bawumia nkorofo no yen kasa oh gab media mo akwa ba pa media Francis Samo yeah you can vote for Kennedy Agyapong that is great for you but listen to me a little bit and see if you can have a reason to change your mind why me that's a part Zamani drusu so me mo akwa gab mete won ka che me hu won so ache pa when you no be join I can give you link dey ekoni papa no hu se sabio ni campaign na o ye ne nsem na o kan oh gap dey ntia wo kasa so kan say wo kobo abi bo awe ma yate wonka so we are waiting for you to come back. Yeah, I'll send you soon. Just give me some minutes. Let me solve this equation. Now, my duaba. Papa, we shall see. Almost any campaign, no, it is less important in terms of party will building. Say, I shall see. Yeah, rebuild the party. The message does not sound to the delegates. No, Papa, na jump from. I will show you down. I will show you. Say, I'm a man. They are attacking me tribally and religiously. How? When I would show down by Ajay Richard Mwakwaba. When I will show you down by when I would attempt in a by when I will share na Northness and Ankramofo. And a Christopher Twaba, who now would this anima way by it, who now question share sort of what your Masha can say, Yen Tiasia Man Cramoni, and Bamidian so. And then, me beside said, Dear Ben Nancy and Ne Kennedy Agyapong, Aquacopium, our Northern Regional, or sounds ye coward, or call honor. He cannot speak as when he was in the southern side, quite of Fasokasa. And your call honor, he's actually trying to. Yen can say, or explaining a home, the entire southern region, or can some phone or casa in a tribal way. Indirectly, Papa person can say northern region for say, and you're on the fort until our south to her, or to make us tribes. Enti or play victim. Say a man for a tatano. What is a YCN counting vote? Now, who goes to the primaries without not having a strong polling station agent on between counting the vote and the amano? Then, what kind of weak leader are you? Say, who contest it? o contest na so wo sika na wontumi en control sabio wo vote aye de ma wontumi control adan ya wo say eho ye not what is about Bawumia e complain is a southern region ba bi wo ha ye to aba wontumi anya observation wontumi anya polling agent police station agent na for so betumi control ne ma wanya na ebe kan ne nyina de ama no bra a leader should be strong at every place of the country, not only where you come from. Tell me, pa, me da na me wakwa papa. Say no krese said ya woka se Ghana fo nyina ase omodo omope wo na ye mfa wo mra wo na ye pese wo mra medi kurona nim emeye ome manage kurono nkoso a bra ene ya wo se wontumi nya anamsifo a oji omudie a ombeye adwuma no de ama o se de ese ne fata e wo region ba bia se woni anya anamsifo titire obinom e wo northern region ombetumi agina ho am make sure say ababia ye beto ama wo nsa beka na ya kan e de ama wo din mu a e wo se wo nti ase say you have lost walusu only sa yanka na say supremacy no e wo mpainfo ewo enipa no so because obey leader enye northern enye southern region Hong Kong and now obey exercise your authority as a leader no tiemiye pa so obey leader na you will exercise your authority across the whole country, every region, district, every constituency, every polling station. I was so kasa as a leader into me enya juma ho. And say the whole 5 northern region no. One kasa who are the mete say who to me enya nipa o trust to mo. Emo mu gina ho eye den e kan wo ma na wo ye beto ama no. Ema ye de ema wo numbers no ma ne ko nanima. Say you have lost. One lose from the beginning. It means you cannot lead the party because the 5 northern region is part of the country and is part of the party. And in Dr. Bawumia, the entire case of Dr. Bawumia, you lead and say every region across the country, and nam nim dear ne anti-tribal conduct no one. Any anti-religious division, every constituency, Dr. Bawumia, ewo nipa wo hwa. Omu jina mu mana dendende a omu behwe ama de wo se ba bia wo se yem fanto no ye de ato. Bisa won sa denti awo. Wo nko ade. Wo be ka kire se northern region yeto aba unya nipa ma omo nkan ma o e ba ne say na wo party no mu kura mpo na sabio wontumi nya full support yen support to se be di party nanim na ebeye national. Who are those people that are baby ever for be a second where are these people? Where are them? Enti papa na hu se sabio mi aba mi be ma utie me. Mi yakwasi asamoa. Wa hu se wa lusu awie. Wa hu se wa lusu because credible research na ba bonten say Kennedy Agyapong is holding 17%. Last year onya 37%. Yate so amana ba bedru 17%. Te se wa hore more than 50% of the vote onya in the last premise law. Enti onimu say so wanyai ensemfo no ka after the premise, he has no other option than either to shut up his mouth or run away from the party. Tiemiyepa papa na tena dan mu ahu say se ne ba bi ansem na boboko no Sikano, washina wie, or the one Jimarie. And also you'll be a ope, you can say, stubborn attitude. Or you'll be of a stubborn attitude, but you know, what in the one media, he will go to the end. But when himself away, and at this time, when himself, we are now worrying, a mobile dress in the last year now, you only at 37%. And now he's trying to play the victim card, so or a victim to tribal politics. And then Canada, Japan, you sat down, and you allow Nkrophobia almost omudi wachi, alestetanum, and Ken Media no more women platform campaigns, women campaign platforms, or mobile bontain. Ebeki can send binum to say your more report to MPP 1.4 binum we declare. What now can say they are part of you? And then Papa na say about bontain 89 say he no on foul on call report to MPP ni bia emfa no ma yokofo. But say that man is very dangerous man. Now let's start a video now. Oh yeah, you can say on no mum na report wound to many abronye edi ama yokofo no. Video no am be bona watie bi. Na de di kan no. Me pese me mo video na Kenya Japan ene de. O su o camera nim. The Deborah Freeman me mo akwa aba. Pa ma Mr. Keba ni ma me mo akwa aba. Kenya Japan wo su e wo camera nim say they are bullying him. We saw na abo video a kire wa na no ada okwa America ensemfo a papa wetimi kata na nika de kire MPP 4.4 in America. Now no ne enam sa de na to afa honti Dr. Bawumia edi nkomopa de kire delegates. Dr. Bawumia kire delegates kwanya obefa so a obetimi abuild party no from the grassroots side amaye gina ye nan so na yaka ye ho abom na obi afili part of the government no as ansem anyansa wo ma wura delegates team na wo de ordinam enentoa enkunuma nchense ntade e na ode kire say Ghana can produce. You have discovered hot water, Papa. You have now discovered hot water. You are the first person to know, say, Ghana, we can also produce ntade anwa any journey. And then can you say we discover hot water? Adia obibiara ndi obibia hu ne da. Ghana ni bia nim say san yebetum de coconut aye oil. Ghana ni bia nim say betim de abro aye oil. Ghana fo nim say furugu material no yebetum de apamata de foforo. Papa we say we discover sa ne ma we enti no ye mani mra medi president. Now we say delegate na ote down ho onim the history of our party. Now onim say MPP aban enya aban a odi aban sika na oman sika e build the factory. Now mom oye empowerment of the people. Eba be do achi say yemfa aban sika nkosi company na anya bia. Say Ghana for yesi aban adwuma ye twe yemfa nso a. Ghana ne wagimi kura nim say no kure say Ghana ye bie aban bie company na ebetimi maintain na obebisa say na nkroma factories na obi bie ye no ekosi say e wo hefa ana me bo me dramani nkroma bie a lot of factories ana kura yon na bie ye abrofo no na ye ho atu omonko no mu jade ma no ekosi say e ba ne say na ye ntimi maintain a ye tonton ye de ma asofofo a ne that is the history of us. And this is communist or left center for Kurapo. They were not able to maintain state factories. not a capitalist party like the MPP. Who know bet my state factories. And the delegates now will say, who some now who can a boss and to assume. Delegates in him say we a businessman up say who create employment. You don't need to become a president of a country before you can employ people. Because you name Ibrahim Mahama, you name Dangote, you name Despite, you name any public. And the papa na was an some no can comparing with Dr. Bawumia 10 slot for government appointment for every constituency. It sounds very possible. Constituency level help desk office, you know, kwanya ebe faswa yebe to me ehun delegacy bia every time bia ubetimi akoye u complain the amount people party no. One meeting with every constituency per year. Kwanya aban na nkasa betumi ate ne ho ase se constituency we house say the wo enye yenkofa middle man bia enye MP e na mekọ akokakasa e dia kire aban on the behalf of the constituency. But the constituency no every year bia they will meet the president and talk with the president. And this answer where Dr. Ekano, it has made the MPP grassroots who feel say, yes, Papa, we are to Abamana. We are part of the government. And Omo Asha say, a giant, a free, Papa in chain. I feel Papa who say, promotion of product cannot convince the delegates because my main cancer Montreal. MPP delegates, Omonye so cheap so ebinum ekita high profile in terms of studies. Ebinum asua woma pa. Ebinum wom de pa. Enti delegates na transia hu said that be asema papa we ye kan. That is not what we need. Because a good government is a government or provide policies capture everybody. More mind no more tran be easy for the people. And I hope a good leader of a party or no yenipa only how he can unify the people no matter where you come from. And yet they say southern part and a media. And the delegates not tip a panel message in a city pa. And of what taken in the Agyapong so in the nasi pa. A fair nadia. Can Agyapong ba bontina or baby soon at the Achregana for said. Am peep ya manyo kone da hono, and painful be more or more threatened. Yanko taken a the video where you are now my invited Miriam Gab media, Amana Bamubi. Yente Kennedy and some more kind. We are naming I digest it and some Kennedy kind. Video near just 4 minutes. Yente, Nayan Samla Yachi. Mamma fasted commander, and I Yusuf, militant, and I J. Richard. Which actually Munina, Munina, which I must say, Unyan like keep video now. Now I like and now I share. Sounds on Unyan subscribe to this channel, so I must also subscribe. Not for one associate domain, so the Bayas and the life will be a Ubenya your friend is saying notifications amaba na wabe support to me na year juma yenko ne nkonko tie Kennedy ni video wa ne wade abeto abonten na yemra sesia.
And let me tell you, there's a gentleman here going around. He said, what? I've forgotten his name. The dirty politics they are doing in the 5 northern regions and the tribal politics, I have to state it emphatically. Going around here, the youth now want development. So they are buying into my message. But the political leaders, MPs, former ministers, threatening them. Some leaders threatening them. They call them and tell them, if you don't vote for one candidate and you campaign for anybody, leave our land. So should I also go to Central Region and give an order like that?
Me Gab media, ubetimi ajoin e why? So ubetimi ajoin e. Munti asema papa ikan yo. O se what is a northern region where you threat amanfo. Na hey ya asemo. Obuawo, the all can be a yentro. what shall I say create confusion towards the elections. What shall I say confusion or cost? What shall I say when we say worry? So now he's now pretending that there is a stronger Ibia. How no so to my leader. When we say worry, Papa na say worry. Enti say what shall I say then? One say yes to kwafo no wa. And I would timi no wa so ukashire nye. Enti one say worry no what shall I say no keka nsam just to destroy images of people. Now, what the entire video no nyina. Etie video no bia. Me got media by me digest all the things Papa Ikaye.
Let me tell you, they shouldn't deceive themselves that they should stop the tribal politics because the 5 northern regions, central region, western north, we are more than the 5 northern regions
combined. That's right.
Okay? So they have to be very careful. You do tribal politics here and you come to the south. Again, I'm advising them that if MPP will win, you need Ashanti region, Eastern region, Central region. Okay? These 3 regions alone. And you have to break even 50-50 in Greater Accra and you win. So when you come to your place and play tribal politics and you expect the Southerners also to vote for you, I'm begging them, we need unity in the party. I can also go to the South and play tribal. What will happen to the party? You see, you asked the question. Last election, they did the same thing. And when I responded, I only responded to all the allegations.
That were made against you.
Yeah, that were made against me. And they turned around and said that I was insulting the party. So this time, I've been quiet. I'm not responding to anything. And they are shooting themselves on the foot. Because this time, how can you go to election and say that we are going to provoke him to spoil his own campaign? So now, I'm not saying anything. And the whole party man going around northern region saying that Agyapong has been giving information to Yoko to arrest MPP people. How can I stoop so low? And do I know what you did at your various ministries for me to go and report? That dirty campaign will not help us. Again, a guy is going around saying that if he votes for Agyapong to win, NDC is going to use Ameswale. So he killed Ameswale. Wow. This is the campaign with all the factories, businesses we can create in the north here. You are not assuring your youth that are not working. With this land, we call ourselves poor in the 5 northern regions with this gift God has given us. So I'm begging them, let's do clean campaign. And in the end, we all come together. You know, the last time that I responded, they have confidence to go around and say that, oh, what Agyapong said, that is why we lost. But I responded to everything they said. Okay? But now I'm not saying anything. It's not good for the party. If you say that you are going to make sure you sit by the ballot box and make sure everybody votes for one person, I'm assuring you this time, if we get 0 from any constituency, we will not accept the results. I'm telling you, I am for peace, but I'm advising them that if they give 0, but you let them try and see. We are all men in this party. What you do in the north, I'll do it in the south. I want to state it emphatically because it's too much.
That is too much. I could get the Kawumda.
Okay, Miriam. No, the 2, yes. God. Oh.
Chama Misha.
Now, what's your papa in the video there?
Oh, me papa, he said, I mean, as a man can find me because I very dumb and very shallow and very immature. Men can say, almost there, or tries to play emotional political game. Some political game is no. But I moving a bit man at ya say ya quattras stage. Now unim point no make you all almost say what? Point no make you all almost say how do you call it? Abrante be call round say one when you Abrante call can answer.
Abro.
And now bro nyapu chazo poku presido.
Okay. Okay.
Chazo poku asem na oka. Wahu na or kamia kwa kwese or pani bia onfa sebe maminye eyi kakra. Onfa onwa mentality any onwa na adwen enye aduma. Because o man nkwala no copy free social media no maba be keka achi. Not
okay.
So they mention me ba 1 minute.
All right. Yeah, abusianfo ntino de yemia na ka no. Ama me fan check kakra ma amanfo meanwhile. Ami ye kofi apia mo akwa aba. Maame mi sister no leader nya akwo won so mo akwa. Abusian meso se oba na wa share video na wa like na ye ko ya nim. Said e be ya video no. Ebe piano ho e de na koyie pa. Won subscribe so na wa subscribe. No be camp busianko no. You see papa we ne nsem a waka nyina nsem a de waye ne wo party ni atebudi a wadidi amanfo nyina chie ne Kennedy is back all play a kind of a victim position be said I said amanfo binom embom na de pressure and as amanfo binom me ya kremant mu akwa and I said MPP munfo mpanyimfo binom na sabio omo yo no enti asem ya papa ikan ye nyina hu asem bi ewo ma metumi afa e de agina so aka asem because campaign na ye ne no ene de ye ne 2023 no madini nyina chia bepem ne madini nyina chi ebepem ne minim enipa omo ye adwuma ma Dr. Bawumia kwan omo fa so ekasa minim kwanya Kennedy ni nkrofo so omo so camera na omo so microphone a ensema omo ka enti se wo Kennedy image na waka se bia me ka asem na masem na meka no ehyew enti na odwene se Bawumia na ama me kwanya ene na se ensema wo nkrofo no so nyina eka no nyina no wo so eye wo na so ma nkrofo no enti it means say George me dey am say nyama papa na hu say baby aduru no after say mpanfo
mame enlighten kakra du as ne nsem no metutututu kakra won say baba be wie no oye no say dey o ka chere say election results so nya zero or constituency dia on into because sana ye the last year oye hypocrite then na make us a hypocrite. And yes, Papa Crow will say, I near two about you could drop platform so can say, or Belbo executives now, but because election will say, are you free and fair? Oh, maybe I mean free banner. Listen, this time around, we need a leader on like the inconsistencies, no, and no. Agyapong is very just on your straightforward man. Agyapong now, you say, oh, yeah, no. He is now showing us his true colors. I'm telling you. So they mention how can you stand on the platform and tell the whole world and tell every NPP member and every Ghanaian said this time around, oh Baba be bomb before na basu because Oma conducted free and fair election. Free and fair election. And then the other veteran Maka said last year no sa no mo ye na say this year no mo repeat sa de dia unjintu intina last year asem na be join platform so catch as all my free and fair election you know and they say na the entire okasa say we say of course Savannah region no abrantie bi ko gina na nchen say wo hwe ni video na no say honorable hwe odi ni phone e chair say honorable hwe me kra me tuma o ba o record zero. The thing that the guy did, you know, the thing now or against the constitution of the party. Who quite say ucha ballot paper no one now vote. Who knew who quite interbanisa na ukocha we know. And how sure are we? Say again, I the check in the old can. They make a note as here. Secondly, and you might a course was central region. Yeah, they make a one say and then a do quote here or northern region, or Babacam was them. Who could central region? I catch you say, if a local radio station, I say, if Bawumia win in central region for who you are the Bayomo. Today, you are speaking of someone threatening your people. Say if you should win there, they will see what they will do to them.
Chairman, Chairman Kote Kuradi.
Messi and Huntinoni Chamakuti and Kasa until Sapapani Wuye, not in Inca, not in Chimanson. But Okon the constituency in Mebuna Warren, Chamankuti in a beer, Mama Mebuna in the beer. Chairman. Also, about my grassroots bread, but listen, we are going to go deep into Agyapong. What for parliament for 24 good years? On my chair, I do here. Listen, we have lists. Your list, our Hassan. We need my member, my member, and your maybe. Agyapong started compound. Oh, the Chrome. Up to date, 12 years when it took a civil servant, gather amount for more years actually compound. So I'm not making
oh, like really?
I'm telling you. Number 2, or starting maternity ward. I will want you clone. Also, yeah, Nimcrofono, and what I generator mushroom for, and what I what we chrome, and then I will yell, and then I will yell chrome.
But say you can say, my sister Debon, wine begins at home. And the abuse to say,
it begins at home. Yeah, what bought them free, I said, the Bontain. When you fear Chalamafo. Meti hey na menyere me ma enyo omo ho tam mesi me kwa enu bi na kwa me nkruma ye Ghana ni ye hunsu ye hu adwale awie yo wo se wo kwa kwaji independence amobi. How is that possible? Enu ne Ghana ya mani hu na yetimu wo kaka amanfo bi num se menka wo kaka obi se menka o man Ghana na yetimu no ye nsansu ye chi adwale awie ye nsansu ye chi adwale awie yo na ukwa dwale obi wo samna na wodi dwale no hu se be so ana enso. Listen, let me say Britain for age independence ama Ghana omujaye money worth of 400 million pounds. This I said since Canada in
1957
exactly near the number man full cross so in the DC independence square amomo wo na Ghana na development kwa ye wie ukoya obi a factory, I'm asking you today, say, where are those factories? Where are those factories? And yet, until person will say, I brought from the Ghana, no, were they not working? Me say, Opa and this is Yamanuka say, Google Nabusa say, when they see Akoso Mudam, a baby Yabba, say, Kwame Nkrumah, they see ya, you need full life and also. When these people came to Ghana, no, and some chairs and not Omoda Kanyane can do one. They did that sort of electricity generation, for themselves. Busa said, Santa Maumusi not Ghana population. Now, among 4 people, listen, Kwame Nkrumah was managing a population less than 6 million Ghanaians. Akufo-Addo was managing a population over 30 million.
Yeah.
How can you tell me that this man has not performed? Not a level. Instead, of predecessors, no achievement. So, at the year where Munam Abonte in a more inciting people, delegates, any grassroots against the previous government. Now, only my three send the home chairman. And Profono Mudin Chirinyano were having appointment in the Adodankwa government.
Okay.
They perform abysmally. Remember, Nipa Bako. Okay. They say, Nipa na no owo Valco. Yeah, Valco. Na titles Glover in the war Valco. Or employ 100 grassroots NPP boys. Man, yeah, no, they can Agyapong. Catch say, NPP by and young grassroots and you say, your friend Abuaji Jedu. Or no, or yes, CEO after set titles Glover, a free Valco. Or buy 100 people will be see your money in a free on.
And also, you ready. Into
Into case any panel on fair before Concord 2 and Concord 20 a year now. Ghana Gas went to me, I employed grassroots. NDC for power, we say Ghana Gas and they've employed over 700 NDC grassroots boys. omo ye adwuma wo no NIA ubeka che say mana kenatefa oko kenatefa o say o employ NPP for ubeka che kenatefa say Nana Danko Akufo say ye Ghana adwuma. Do you know how many grassroots are kenatefa employ or NIA onko share? You are walking around inciting delegates hatred efa Nana Danko Akufo appointees no one another here Zimbabwe oyire no that board so oyire no that board so a contract worth of $102 million dollars. And now we no da no. A madu was saying in a war party nima utimima we ekra empower omo. Kede semira Bawumia edene second lady in Rebecca Kufuado AC library no na semira Bawumia na mabonti outside Ghana not all the books about the good library. Impact ben we Ghana mining in free omo. Impact ben and was 16 companies and the factories. 5 was 16 companies and the factories. Obian doubt is idea, but the question we are asking you is delegate for the doors and a more factory. Even those who are campaigning for you now, no, tell me a move 5 for me and no company. We are in Ghana. Could be a fruit juice factory, our constituency, as central. What dear before Akokotu say a membrane wall no Bedjumaye. Agyapong today no is building a steel plant. Also we are Okofa Lebanon for any Pakistan for Ababaye because Ghana membrane no ye. But this same man is going around catch Ghana membrane say mom told me na me ba be mama you sat in parliament for 24 good years. On chair a bill back what they call parliament and that it was in favor of the youth of the country. On chair a bill back pay.
Now Okasa our parliament there.
And Miss Okasa in premier nupe. First time Okasa not on it Mutakamoni you in an eye parliament. Chamini power in parliament. And then slighted our the Blair or NPP muno. One in the Kuwait saying in Kwasian our parliament. When the Mutaka our parliament. Ukosia Kofi Adams, only no coin, our parliament, and you can't inflame myself at the foul. What are you telling us today? Nana Danko Akufo eba bem 2017, you didn't see Akunya so. After July, Agyapong was started criticizing Nana Danko Akufo. John Mahama by 10 months, okay, who didn't the also criticizing. But yes, no percent people for do be anymore. Someone you cannot criticize. You know, how are you going to campaign against that person? Say Ghana former number 2 side we are not dumb. You're more dumb or my anymore. You're moving on your dream down. You're sure you nim the yakika. In the end, now, Emma make can say mean train. Unam and then, who catch say, Yama woman may be NPP name. Now come go get to me for my end. Now Oba the see hotel, that's your donor revenue. Chairman, your ministerial position appointment in you move. Okachen and Nadu Danko Akufo do place the wound to me.
You know be minister go chop.
Okachen and Nadu Danko Akufo do place the wound to me. And then no, what's in Nadu Danko Akufo government? You know, it's a field government. But who can Agyapong you sat on Star FM. Only a bolare akwara ni tita se no. Etra no ka say apart from ourselves so watching ministers are no more Akufo use nyano wo kan Agyapong be hihye wo fie meaning say you give Nana Danko Akufo failed ministers na the man Nana Danko Akufo meaning say you knew what you were doing na yenya mu bi there we have it on record kan Agyapong we have on video all catch obi say no he is an NDC member but NPP is business minded to the no kwakobo NPP for chairman Okre constituency, na NDC for there, Okre, na NDC for there. First time in the history of Ghana. Honorable Dambuchi Beji here. All 3 was on parliament, you must hand over my NPP.
Yeah.
Agyapong, what's now? A center for 24 good years. Uye bibi papa one ma. In Kamans we say, Keshan the ma, Yeshan NPP at the need Nuku John or some mouse.
Yeah, or some comment.
And then I will Kulu Mono. And no baby John say, in fact. Party under your campaign team and then spokesperson not or your PRO or education ministry. I will for the bra a dear before a 2 NPP if you are question because Omo kwako patch off for school placement. O catch omo say o bedroom 20,000 Ghana cedi na o kwako for 20,000 Ghana cedi no way. O for 20,000 into on the yaw enya bufu e be 20 NPP. O ti ase on the yaw enya bufu be 20 NPP on kon to NPP. Chairman, what is he talking about? And I will tell Makache say udi nkuto e baba be yogurt for who to eat. For who to eat that yogurt? Nkuto yogurt no one on maybe. Now we on constituency by constituency. That's what we do on man. Oh, who say be ade we say na down was mo ade we. Me meti mi ayi. Me ba be my family buni nyama. When your party was in power, what did you do? Ube catch say nka your president nka wo the 5 northern regions no ube create tourist attraction one. Chairman, now Uba in an EDA tourism board, so you couldn't give him that idea. Say, offer him lidi innovation now. Wow, Papa Kola the catcher say you don't need to be a president before you can make an impact in the life of a Ghanaian person. So why today? Why do you want to become a president before you make an impact? Say, what is he talking about? Yet your mind Ghana mu, yet your mind Ghana mu. O say, o companies, o factory, ye change amount to me. I do submit a document for verification. Ye did be amount to me. None of the document was in your name. So how can you tell me that those things still belong to you? Me see on one Ken City media, no, and die not in the sister Penidia, or say, any sister Penidia, no, so make an a die Ken City media, no one, ni sister Penny in an edaya, or make us any sister Penny than you. Oh, kind of call for no, and not then with anywhere BFM station, where BM not radio, any mass I don't go fat despite no man, because despite starting media ninja.
Simple thing. Very simple.
Kwame despite Niama Ninia Oforisa Pon, Emma advice. If that is what you want. Ya, and Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, factory Ben will be here, and Drama Ben will be here. I'm telling you today, before Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, Momo vendors and the war mining was less than 150,000. After Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia was being introduced and going out, now Momo vendors were my bomb mining 972,000. Calculated percentage, no, they're about the count. This man will not create a job for you to be employed. He will rather show you the way for you to become your own self boss. That is who Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia is.
Work for yourself. Yeah,
exactly. Yeah. This man, they say, he is going to gather data. And with this data, we are going to place them on a payment plan. Send your annual brutino. Busumi biana say na what to be a kolabia benya 150 Ghana. Chama, yan found two accounts, woman to say ISA account. A kolania 18 years, no, not Owosika than a chi. Yes, he in pay with a dim pay. We don't want such a man, a dim pay. And you're saying, Pomo creating money idea, and Sessan can another Danko Kufaluki, 2 3 because Upenipa or introduce you DHL or Ghana and another Danko Kufa. I said,
MTM Crasset and South.
They say, and then a year than 30 go, our more some dog, no person between you, and another Danko Kufa soon by. Satan not as low in another down, near Femi Zane. So, Unima, Baz, and a bar first, Baz. And son a cousin and son a batigo. It was Nanado Danko Kufuado. Upenipo introducing mobile phone or Ghana, Mobiter and Nanado Danko Kufuado. What are you talking about? Only newspaper a year or publications are all. Called the law firm or only Menkala Watitom. Called your Ponkumamunya, descendant of Nanado Danko Kufuado. A day impact in when you will mind Ghana. A day impact in when you will mind Ghana.
Ube to me the yes amasa fabric juma yankan say factory juma everything they compare yankan say juma bit say law firm ne news publication ne yankan say bit say L30 go asema wo kan how can you compare these two position e wo juma factory juma dey say na we dey here wakoto akwa bi na oye juma dey na wupia ne kaboso me na onka na no ntu ana me boa.
Exactly. One say, secondly, Okoguni when you must my thing say FM station baako wɔ esoro no Mrefi FM station ɔkɔ etu no ɔkɔ brage ina mmabunu na wɔn man mu no they need employment they need money hwan fa ikosi na akwara bisa ne sɛ honorable na adwuma for no uti ɔmo ka say oh I pay them good even my bodyguard odi my tikra ask him how much I give him 3,000 one radio presenter say oh any 3,000 kwa dey any honorable I earn more than him after the while say oh dey yen fair no to baby yen fair no to yen fair no who count ro na say chewa say yen fair no to baby. Do you know how much Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia is paying his bodyguard? Me say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia single-handedly handle NDC guy and or India AD treatment for kidney transplant. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia no call the TSS scammer. And me I didn't call here. Or yeah, why the NDC new? And so Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia who difference now I say on can be part of intimation. Mesi Agyapong na yes ade na nke da ba bia
nka BBC fo atwa
nene ono bra na champion kwasia no no me ba no so kwasia no no wote kwawu no na jinsem na odi no uni me kwasia sem a wakọ ena mi ni bebe okọ uni me wakọ akọka wo ai se say dey on board Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia you say ai ena kufa do ko fa brantie bi bae and also about the manage economy and a area and economy now they do 17 Ghana city. How can you say this thing when you know say what you are saying out there are lies? As at 2025 January na dollar 14 cedis 75 pesos until the na dollar could do 17 cedis and you can say this against your own party. How do you expect the NDC to campaign? They are not going to campaign because so we're not going to waste our time. We are not going to waste our time. Have you asked yourself, say, a dentina, me say, and I can ye baby in some such a well, Busan will say, a dentina NDC for opposition, the Amazwale Wuno, a campaign, buy, so much chance. Well, Busan also a question. Chance and NDC, they are smart. NDC for is smart. Let me tell you something, Mr. Mafo. Up till now, NDC4 are still grinding hard to find something to campaign against Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Should NPP bring Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia? Because no more making now, and now Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia is being vindicated day in, day out.
Yes.
Almost started with Haftel. Almost by within the first month, Attorney General Nico John said, Haftel does not belong to Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. They should stop that nonsense. Number two, good for oil. There is nothing like good for oil. Deputy governor of Bank of Ghana, the central bank of Ghana, or by UK, as Nico John said, Yambo Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia because good for oil policy not the buying and then they stabilize the economy by now. So you see where the vindications are coming in.
Yes, of course.
You see where the vindications. Opposition, say Pualugu Dam, Ukoya, and Pualugu Dam. Up to date, Bisa say, and then you see more questions may investigating to that Pualugu Dam. Opposition, or say the National Cathedral. Now what is the Attorney General and for the Sufosuka checker? There is nothing to open up against the National Cathedral. That is why we've not attended to it. They don't have any concrete evidence. There is nothing like money being misused in the National Cathedral. Nothing.
Yeah.
Nothing there.
All the train Bible and train nature say everything
there.
was
There is nothing there. Me say, Senka almost dragging too long. Can Detroit? Yeah, Detroit. Obey sue Ghana court because you are tarnishing their image.
Of course.
You are tarnishing their image. Now, Brian Trump, John Mo, and the Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, I am happy. I know the year campaign. Now, Obi, now, only delegate, Nkasawi, now, Opiapon, Obi, or say, I, on said Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, Beba, on second Agyapong, on said Richum, Beba, say, then one more can Agyapong, on said Richum, Beba, say, now, say, Omo Bano, Omo Beshia, Kasaria, or Besaba, no about the Prapra, Omechi. How can you say this thing? Then you want us to vote for you? Do you think we are dumb or we are shallow in the party? Who brand a champion? That time I hear forming NPP party as at 1992. How old were you? You were 20 years. Now we're 20 years.
Primary school child. For
Now
example,
20 years now already. 20 years now already. And then who crowd to me those say yeah for party in Shawansa. Yeah, for me NPP. Oh, then Obejawa and yeah, you scared the Abua party in Brand Champion. I'm asking you here today, say, how much have you contributed to the New Patriotic Party? How much have you contributed to it? Kenya Ponam, the crop for $3 million on your pombio in a one, maybe some only question and maybe up to date, meaning a channel on the answer the platform. So I maybe some say, Okoyom saying a car bank. Nana, I told them, say, listen, NDC led by the Jerry John Rollins, no. There is no way so we crack $3 million. No, I ain't sure. Do you think we are stupid?
Now, I 50,000 crop of
They say 1992. Up to 1996. And a buy NPP party that was $30,000 from the United States and £10,000 from the United Kingdom. You know, because all party now, Emma party near party. Now, Koya Kenya point in a Dubuahin Kobako in one performing in field of Boa 1996. Dubuahin came back, but he was being voted against. Voted against, not because he could have gone. But number one, at the NPP for sure, and he said, listen, this and this and this and this is the case. Number two, your health conditions, we cannot sacrifice that health condition. So you need to step aside, but you can still stand. Near they are casting a vote, and when they casted the vote, he lost. And yeah, people for the if you by you, no, it was never done like that. Into Okoja baby, I teach a delegate say. Okoja baby, I teach delegates, they say, I know do by Yamfana could Obuwa, he himself does not even know the history of the New Patriotic Party. In the Agyapong party, where in the constitution is Agyapong your name? Where in the history of the New Patriotic Party was Agyapong your name being mentioned there? Oh, Papa Ben, you born in the party. In a dankwa, Dombo Bizia, Dombo Nukra Bawumia Flip, Dombo Bawumia, Dombo Neobusia Penny.
That's a Dombo, Northern People's Party.
And Anna Bawumia were NDC, and I Monfa Bawumia NDC party card in match the Chamamafo. And NDC for power into woman now still on maintaining no airport autonomy. Should I say woman also NDC? No, because they saw the competence of the man, they saw the knowledge of the man. They say Omukonom Kobusa Kwabnado Fona or appointed Dr. Bamudu Bawumia as deputy governor of the Bank of Ghana. No Omukobusa say as a senator or yet governor of Bank of Ghana, one book in and out they govern Ghana currency, in and out. Dr. Mamudu Bawumia and Salutuma in and out the Central Bank of Ghana. Am I managing your economy? I'm telling you. And it's on record. Up to date, they are still using the book.
Yeah.
Book of Dr. Mamudu Bawumia Troy, that is what is governing the Central Bank of Ghana as at now. Obianti mean throw book Fufurobia, if I remember you, Dr. Mamudu Bawumia didn't free on. Now say, Enya, Inka NDC for our adult. We have it on video. Some judge, they did everything they could against the drones, the medical drones. Or buy or they didn't toss the brain or visiting some medical drones inside. No, Adani Jimmy no Jina.
I know, sir.
Adani ambulance. Wow. They don't have the knowledge about governance. But yesterday, this man cooking in Japan said he cannot criticize them. Are you kidding me? They say as at July 2017, na papa we air criticizing and now do down Kufuado. Before I said come back campaign, grandma man we say the question also come bisa man they say papa after 2020 2021 after COVID-19 Ubekache say every delegate should step down for Dr. Mamudu Bawumia to go into an ban said a person contesting papa no question and so dumb and so foolish and so useless they are just following everything every garbage that this man will be spilling. regardless they will rather take it and then be doing nonsense about it. And then we just say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia is instructing someone and the social media is working against you. So should we also say what you are saying, is what those people are going on? When they started tribal politics first. Stika started that nonsense.
Yes.
Were you able to question Stika? Were you able to question? Now so more no for crowd farmer say. Farmer may say who started campaign? I don't know one start to the Kola koshe asinwo na kwa say obi Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia so on ho because he has people working there for him. Western region because in comfort from we have a whole former minister was see party office to work for Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia and Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia dia to so. Now what can say nipa no nye nipa papa nkasa nkofo we say nya e ba advocate amanana.
Absolutely no. Absolutely
no. So what are they doing? They are doing everything they can to make sure say the man will win power because they know what is in it. And then they do no more pay their free papa.
Dabi.
They are just proud to be part of Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia campaign team. They are just proud. They are just proud to be tagged with the name. Say, oh yeah, Mama Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. How proud is it? You see where I'm coming from.
Yeah, I got you, but I have one question that I want to ask you. But you say what can say me say Mps now omo de omo akobo Dr. Bawumia no. They are just proud to be part of Dr. Bawumia administration as a Dr. Bawumia campaign. Now, maybe some say, what is a DNT? Can Agyapong crofo no can say, sir, Mps no more bar bonten in point for more party no more. Or more bar bonten, or more declare, or more support. Asanso, I can't Ghana money and say they are going to work at their constituency level to support Dr. Bawumia. DNT can Agyapong and crofo no target to almost say more musica. They are no by campus the same way.
Me that say, one say before there no, omo kikasa no, because honorable and pretume come be your man. There is no need to even touch on that, but I will touch on it. Or say, honorable say, those saying that he feels say they need medical like mental checkup, mental checkup. Okay, woman now, what divertical the camp recently?
Now Toshi,
exactly. Satama no did Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia one thing someone can find.
Yeah.
But and then okodi na chine then almost an kafa no.
Oh, your my flyers are hodo na Toshi.
Exactly. What coming here?
Yeah.
In a one fine. But under this woman, we had MMDCs who were angry, who did campaign against NPP because of this woman. No music can call. It's because of Manu we say it, only year campaign the NPP. But no Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia campaign there. And it not ya show kutu pound. By and then buy the company and say kutu pound. Mr. Mafo, MP, the penny moon that. Uti, MP, say me no you have in about debating remote control, I control you. Inti se MPB na adwen se me free camp we akọ camp we a ana se me na me de me ho me kwa akọ join camp we a how na say you need to be worried in the first place only o matena parliament o
yeah
o mama me di wachi what busa ho sa question no e dey nti na me nkrofo na ma me di machi and then woman because number one, woman will say, oh, you're arrogant. Number two, woman will say, and recently, the former campaign, what is your kind? Obekatche NPP for say NPP for ne Ghana for mon fan cheme. Nan kame de Kennedy Japan, bremo. Kama bremo how? What be sa that question? Be a man be cancer. Recently, you'll be asked to chef in the campus. Say, listen, Japan does not respect anyone. Agyapong does not respect anybody. That is who he is.
That's only the Sikana.
Yes. And he thinks governing a country is like running your own business. Governing a country is like running your own business. And American, despite you.
But I make a much as some person is also, you know, until once he said the business is now one. Nippon woman 100,000. Now, no, who be the president? You are going to lead people, and we are about 35 million people. Now, when you work as your two or Muka Bossing or Becca said, Dana Wado. What can be that can be? Which the white will be so better than idea. What the idea about be so better than ever challenge you? Now, you hear about when the attitude, the way of doing that. Can this man, or better me a hold do? Heater, Ghana for ma, Edibaqua by so. She said, your mother and Anando. So, Obetima who do heat, as say, me and Sanka Moaquaba and a bra, someone who couldn't want so and Moaquaba. Me a questions upon one so Moaquaba. And me, my question on this, I'm so you, man. I want to hear, yeah. Say, and if there's a Agyapong, can he be somebody Obetima who do heat, Ghana for? Or say, yeah, 30-something million, 35 million people. And I'm a different from say what be company our more be
wait, Chamamafu. I say we. You need to get the answer from yourself from the.
No, I want to hear it from you, Brack.
It was that when you answer for yourself from that video now. Agyapong is a man who cannot stand to criticization or criticizing a kid to every penna. He has to come after you. Or criticizing a crabby penna, he has to come after you. Listen to what he's saying. Now, one thing young Doma Suko Emma man for Emusa or Mone say, but after every crime scene, Agyapong is the first person to show up there. You say almost our question. Those who were eyewitnesses, who saw the things that went on, whose name did they mention first? Before say you be throw bia na Canadian Japan or more than that. Before say you be throw penny bia catch no na Canadian. What was he doing at that point? Particular point of the crime scene, then I know we have a lot of things that we can tell you with, but you will be near person that trend because we know the heat. Say those kind of heat, you cannot stand it because you like to play victim or person play victim too early.
Baby. That question may be later about the victim side now, and then. Came for now shift to go. I don't understand.
Now the can't be found one. Now the over play emotional. Now over play victim. Debbie. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia will never play victim to anything. Say Adeni and Okra, he will stand to it and tell the people say this and this and this that they are saying is true. I am sorry. Agyapong is not someone who easily say I am sorry.
Nobia Dr. Kokan sorry, I criticizing from left, right, center. Say I didn't hear our sorry.
What is that, Dr. Be your man?
Davida, why you Nikura?
Or say, Papa never starting a campaign or say, listen, we are all mature grown men. Let's do a campaign now. A best Sunday. Now, Oze, Agyapong can answer ma. Also, Moon say, you need the help of. Listen, say, in Kwasasem no din 2024, yeah. So, some could this some Kwasasem maybe more Ashanti region. I'm telling you here today, they will beat him. Or Coco this some Kwasasem, he is going to be beaten upon some Conco try that nonsense.
Now, I'm used to assemble back. I'm used to assemble Miss Anna Church. I dear for some to assemble. Now, when say, okay, I'm first year campaign in 2023. Now, attack and attamu. Who didn't say the young say in media soon name. Our motivation and your channel. ama ehu bia bewura camp hɔ na say what is going on? I don't understand. No mo just come be fa na fara na say
me da say ehu aba bewura hɔ no.
Oh,
Ehu aba bewura hɔ because 2023-2024 no. Omoba no be throw tantrums and also be throw allegations now. Ye ma bonten be kantakoro so ye fan say oh ye nyina ye party back at the end of the day no internal politics ni enim say it was going to cause this damage. Ye
Okay.
mu bi ni kie hu ya ke be yi na no ntem. Ye mu bi ni ye hu ya ke be yi na no ntem. What be sound say a day tin of be kasem na say miracle aboaje e ba be kantana. Then they take him to their platform. I can show you. I'm secretly on their platform. I'm coming. I will show you something. I'm secretly on their platform. They don't know.
Okay.
Every Tom, Dick, and Harry, more brand champions who campaign a campaign platform. Everything that they say there, I know. Everything that they say there, I know. Recently, they conducted some online polls. Almost a Agyapong Lusu on Dr. Mamudu Bawumia and then they deleted it and they created a new one.
Okay.
I'll show you something here.
I say ehunu ehiba eya to bones na nkasa eya to honam no. But in some movie as you. Me a message say one like video na wa like ya like you so but message say one like mama na enko yanim. Yawo mo kufo me chia ye pa mo akwa aba. Me you even sankama clip.
Look at this. This is the campaign they are doing on their platform. Said Dr. Mamudu Bawumia elusuye. Ewo sa constituencies we say. Intima delegate vote to Dr. Mamudu. Who is this? So if I tell you that I'm on their platform secretly, you don't know.
Okay.
Look at it. What they are doing on their platform. See what they are doing on their platform.
I see.
Listen, inti say yebeka ensema on chamamafo. Yebeka ensema, we know where we are getting our underground source
info from.
Exactly. We know where we getting our underground source from. Once we Why We are working. We are working. I'm telling you. No stone will be left unturned.
But there's a group we want to say heat in a baho. Ehi koto honam no.
They've seen say they don't understand the entire I did don't be discussing on my platform. We people put it out before say Abronya Kolaba can once and they don't know.
I said I don't know Abronya ebu baby. Or see our Supreme Court or Supreme Court before no the bar.
Inside them, we have friends. Send me you almost say inside Bawumia team they have friends, no.
Yeah.
Inside them we have friends, but inside here no, informations on the common fake informations. We don't speak to real facts. We do ourselves.
Yeah.
We know ourselves. So when we meet her, we know what we talk about, and when they are in our midst, we know what we talk about. Let's say. Now to the 31st, some of them will collapse.
Now, when
some of them will collapse.
When the mayor say decision plan to go on the ballot box on 31st January, when the mayor says the biggest decision MPP are taking.
I'm telling you, my member shocking news you are. What did he say?
It's you.
They thought say, sir, top down approach now on the banner. Yes. Inti sobe kaya. Yeba be sa congress ya na me koye. Kere ko le brand champion. E de kokot e fa injection into so.
Mekaipa.
Am I a botuguye?
Hmm.
They want to sabotage Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. They say from day one, everything that they've been discussing Biano is going down the drain to Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. What we sound saying, almost another doctor, and we are doctor, and we are doctor, how much doctor, and then a Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, they are your.
Obi osunta krache.
Exactly. And then a papandia your. Sell your ideas.
Simple.
Up to
Very
date.
simple.
Up to date. Share me policy back. Share me policy.
Na papa panyin bi ka asem say pacho me ba na mato aso papa panyin bi na ka asem say he is wondering why the modern politics of today are based on ideas and policies no ebinom de adana ni sika ana me wei brami hotel na me no nya meeting na me mfa nkyere wo say masisi hotel na we so say brama be factors o so odwene ho onte ase de ntia and a party ya describe omo as an elect political party omo no omo de policies ne ideas human building capacity ne why na enne de yenya nkrofo bi no ma their message is about I have money. How can this be part of the MPP UP tradition? How can it be? And your madness, bro.
Dumb. Now, what was someone say? A didn't NPP for power. No? They couldn't flaunt all of this nonsense. Me wo we no. I don't know moment me afa. Ina me we na me employ ni power na me ye. Ina me timie bottle. Ina me timie we. They say, clear Japan. Yeah, clear Japan. Most of the companies, no, he is just a caretaker.
Yeah, Italy for say Prestano, man.
He is just a caretaker.
Faudin, brother.
Me say, the time we are in NPP was in power number one. And clear Japan because who me say oh yeah that investor type no. That's how he portrays himself. If you know what China class, I will portray no or investor. Chamamafo.
Aja.
O say, o company I electrical cables in there. As we ECG, echo crack cables for abonten eba. Mo busa mo sa question no. Inti say one company na mo yes agenda. Why can't you do it and sell it to Ghanaians?
Directly. Now one create adwuma kora mfa mama mfo nya binya say dey.
Exactly. Me say o call the net 2 television. Your man news anopano. Ono an man news enumere.
Akwa friend amwako anase say amwako. Ana mama get tian bi na sem na wo kan na say amofa
Yes on TV host.
Okay.
Me say okwa your man news anopano, ono an man news enumere. Why? Because now in the station, you know, Adani beans.
When I say me kura me ba life for me numbers kura do so so can Japan. I say well that too bad.
Now, if people come on a platform here and they try to say and I can why you say I can I say me real human because this man is a man are we talking about he sees you the Ghanaian youth to be useless and hopeless. To be useless and hopeless. This is a greedy man. Just again on call no demudia adianian tunchine and I'm more company me ba me person me project a dey bito so na making time out.
Okay.
I'm 1 minute.
Yeah, my fancy kakra Emma
Yeah.
And Kennedy Louis Donko. One so memo akwa papa. Nana Dankwa Michelle Yepa. Even Sankama Michelle Yepa busia on like video na Mr. Wasebo more than I like it. Na yakwe likes and all from to Mr. Wase like it. political zone when you join the year na yin komo kakra Felix and our jumpo sanso na naje kum wonso me mo akwa papa afi we no ye pese ye nkoto aba ensin sanso ana ye de beba no wo ye MPP ni no matter which district you are, you have to benefit from it. To say the also constituency help desk to say the benyo the Dr. Bawumia kan a game changer ankasa said the course na nado dan kokufo adobere ya sabi obi si oka asem ntimi nkodru government anim no ene say Dr. Bedi leader na constituency bia no ye benya officer ye be eye say delegate ne party member how be a dawo so no go to the office and complain. So ko kan ho na anye yi a afi bia one Dr. Beshia once na waka wo hawo e de akire no ono ankasa akire mi o si wi ase na ye wo no obia ne hawo enti wuntumi nye yenka ne say one solution emfa mo bia but say otumi ne mo kasa na otimo hawo e wo constituency level ho by individual there. That is the only way we can solve a how no dia maye. Enti doctor ne campaign na o ye ne bra o ya ma me ne wo ye yie yo ye nkan ko do ono ne dia ne nye na me wo sika because bra ma me nkan no kora nkyerɛ doctor wo onye hia ni o but enam say oye nimdifo na obu nipa na onye nipa mpaipai mu na onye se wo ye hia ni a wo hu hia ntino onye wo kasa oma wo mfidi se wo ye hia ni humiliation onye nipa bi o humiliate amanfo odi obi aben ne ho he value being a human being than sabi odi watimi akwai e wo abrabom e na no so believe se de wo ye hia ni ne wo betumi ayesikani ochina na ye nkorofo nka ye omo akai de ye omo ka kire nyina ne se woni sika mpo na asabi oni kwan se ye kasa kura obi wa no ka bi na so mi no papa no sika e ma ne ma ye yie but sika untimi mfa nto ne ma wo wi ase nyina asemo ye american one team ye bia untem ase but some MPP delegates are seriously angry. And there are many delegates to be kasa with German South. Or say I dear Hannah Kura and say a discable or money the camera and video of the show no mucha. Or see a bedis caliber to tiam. Branica said my sister. The course I know what German South or they say a bro ya bonnet ya tiano. I'm a second and free stage, you know. Sadia ni na a plantain. Sadia ni na a plantain. Na among 40 or more say, Binum disike yen near my phone or party, and they don't want you to die. Party name good name good. And I deal with Sika. The Bedia party so doctor is bringing initiatives, sir. Because me no one say we are talking about building the base of the party. Yema party now. Kabomuno nya juma. Yenti ho ase yenya juma man the base nya juma sa manfo 2027 ombe pia bonten akoye campaign. Ye ka de betumi dia bedo party base na manfo so se na me na me ye toa. Me na me ye light. Me na me kofo enti enya wo den. Ha. Why your business? Now business are successful. Now when you sika, nobody is challenging himself. Unisika, we accept that. But being a rich does not qualify you to lead a political party. Now, Keno, me person make us by heart. The market is be a senko wunyansa. But me, I believe say Kennedy Japan is making a very big mistake. Bra. Sa product na papa we di chira abonten say ono na produce no. He is coaxing his own business with his own talk.
I said you don't need to be told. You don't need to be told. Now person can share the share we no ma amount for who the companies are more company. Most of companies now, well, you're listed what I say now. I'm not even working anymore.
Oh, I
I'm
see.
not even working anymore. So Fruitland and you see Fruitland we're collapsing Fruitland. So where is the Fruitland?
Like I said, starch and so I'll see the chima table area.
I tell you, I meant or boy.
I'm so crazy. I see in Yajuma.
It's not working.
One shall say that or build this structure.
Now, only a man from Musa, the entire still planting up till now. Only still planting no chama. What is that on it? Not the financier or Pombio in the SR still planting.
Okay.
They say for Pombio, as your in your partnership. Or Pombio has left Canada Japan's campaign. I'm telling you, or Pombio, because no one who said the man is not truthful, the man is a greedy man. The man can kill for money. He can kill for money. I dare Canada Japan Chini say, Obey ye, I say no.
Yeah. Need your town pardon.
Next time on the time Ibrahim Mahama, you know. A time on the time. Now, a time on the time Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, you know, and said, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia is 10 times richer than Canada Japan. But he does not show it. Tell us also a taxi driver. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia was also a taxi driver. They say, young for omu history, and I said, omu CV, MM to on like yama qualification, and I say yama di breno based on your experience, and I said your CV. Mo be a year editing. Nkobehu enyoma Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, I share in his own capacity. This man is a man we're talking about, African Development Bank, in partnership with World Bank. Every fan say, "Onko stabilize the economy of Zimbabwe."
Yeah,
and he has that on record. World Bank, we're Johnny down to all. Brayuki, I say, we're Johnny down to all. Even as a vice president, you know, he was being invited to the United Kingdom to come and give lectures. Mr. Lincoln University, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia.
Wow.
Canada, Mr. Mafu, we know what we are talking about. We know the person that we are advocating. We know the person that we are selling to the public. Young man be down to I am Piao. Young me can't the papa intimiyo. Young me can't obey Timiayo. The papa intimiyo and young me can't obey Timiayo. Nin san numano ebeton. Nin san numano big dinner one dance here. We have thousands of people coming out to applaud Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia.
Yeah.
I can tell you, say, constituencies or Makuni, who didn't tell you campaign. What's that Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia? Tokrobia Uremu.
Yeah.
But my friend secretary Japan say, Ebia, who constituency now ba? No, I should be a horse. No, convey nipa constituencies there, yes, and no come up with my baby shower. Yes, ye, or call Western or nipa about the channel. One day, make channel.
Yeah.
Today, I was sad about the video that I saw. I was sad. Like, it touched me to the heart. Like, this man we're talking about, you know, is a man or Jare. He's an MPP chairman.
Yeah. I saw video. I'm not taking ma.
Yes.
Yeah.
But Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia came down. Wankasa or a former vice president. Wankasa you. That is who we are talking about. That is the man we're talking about. We are selling a man of dignity. We are selling a man with full competence, a man who is ready to serve you. Not a man who says a name, Agyapong baby NPP, near Kwabato. Not yet, to no really, Uti. I know that. Not say a San Kwabato 2032, near to about no Lusua Chamama for me to Yakupo second Japan, and no more Yama gun and your Baka Tina Bontia.
Oh, and oh, said this is a show.
Only more me MCC or Momo.
Ah, me too.
Omo Jimmy Semusika and Neno. I can't so more compare mano. Knowing willingly say papa no own me.
What can sempa? What can
Knowing
sempa?
willingly say papa no me, it's gonna come after them. And he's gonna go after them. Nipa me pity the kesepa sticker. They've ended their political career. I'm telling you here today. And those people following him, no, they might want to come close to Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia and then seek for appointment, but it will be too late.
No appointment to part.
Now you do my dream. My dream say, see a quarter second and media, Omina be bomb kitty. Either they will join NDC or they will join Alanchemantin. That's a secret. Let me leave you here. Thank you so much for hosting me. Chamai and some more. Now, yeah, underground investigation, no. You're perceiving that clear info, no. Now, me no match it. Ate.
That's it.
I do for you.
Powerful.
I do for you. Adios.
Yaminka on serious. Adios, Yemia George. Yemia George and I tell in Cano. Intense, no cresse. Ehu aboken ne campo atija ewo ho amanfo hu de omunye biem na nukura me hu se memfa bi nka ho de yenti Dr. Bawumia na emre sesia
Agyipa me baton tano nofa mabafie efie enefie me pese me damu nyina se 2023 Mujina mechipa 84%. Nyamishira munyina medamu ase. Pese me kanchira muse sede mujina mochino 2026 January 31st. Munkono sana mumpeja na yankudu 90%. Munyina munimse minimu na yeko presidency no. Mikoduha musumwa kunia ewoho. Enti yenyina na ebedi presidency no kukudu enedi emeni Agyipa me baton tano nofa mabafie efie enefie me pese me damu nyina se 2023 mujina mechipa 84%. Nyamishira munyina medamu ase. Pese me kanchira muse sede mujina mochino 2026 January 31st. Munkono sana mumpeja na yankudu 90%. Munyina munimse minimu na yeko presidency no. Mikoduha musumwa kunia ewoho. Enti yenyina na ebedi presidency no. Kukudu. Enedi emeni Agyipa me baton tano nofa mabafie efie enefie me pese me damu nyina se 2023 mujina mechipa 84%. Nyamishira munyina medamu ase. Pese me kanchira muse sede mujina mochino 2026 January 31st. Munkono sana mumpeja na yankudu 90%. Munyina munimse minimu na yeko presidency no. Mikoduha musumwa kunia ewoho. Enti yenyina na ebedi presidency no. Kukudu. Enedi emeni Agyipa me baton tano nofa mabafie efie enefie me pese me damu nyina se 2023 mujina mechipa 84%. Nyamishira munyina medamu ase. Pese me kanchira muse sede mujina mochino 2026 January 31st. ɛwɔ hɔ enti yɛn nyinaa na yɛbɛdi presidency no Kukurudu.
I was I shall say I for course so to me friend now on so watch your again. The better at your phone in a say. The Mimia George I say with the me Estake bari man so me da wase. Mimia sapon kwasi me da wase ye pa. Na na kwaku ankobia a won so me da ase ye pa. Na na ajikum me da won so ase ye pa. Sa nso na Ebra Panini Antony Amfa Corner, or no free in any case. The sound so that Kennedy Louis don't call as a Mimia Evans and Kama Clef also made us a pa. Samuel Okuno, Ebra Panini, Midawase, also ye pa. Sound so now Sapon Kwesi Midase, political zone appear first Midase, Dramani Drisu, Meda also as ye pa, Yaw Crement Midase, and a Mimia Kofi appear, Meda also as a pa. Sanso da mame no leader nyako da wasiye pawane na mimia na najekum na dankwa Kennedy Louis Evans and kama kofi political zone ferisapia na Kwame Aido na Debra Freeman me da wonso asepa abusianfo ya biefo na asna tumuso tumi firi na sabio wachire kwadwen ewo nsema ya dinami so na yeko yanim na meanwhile momentie video we na yemfa ntwen ko.
Who started LPP USA in this country? We are not cowards. And we will not allow any individual to take LPP as his personal property. It will happen. Whether here or Ghana, no individual can take LPP as his personal property. People have died for LPP. People were killed. People lost their property. They lost everything they had. Where were they? Where were they? And today, they have the guts to call people and threaten them. Let them dare and threaten them. It will never happen. We want free and fair election. Nobody can intimidate anyone. Even when they were in power, they could not intimidate me, and not today. It won't happen. For the sake of unity, I have swallowed my pride. I have swallowed my pride for the sake of unity. They shouldn't take me for granted. Exactly. It won't happen. We all have a voice. We speak like men. So if you are here and you are chapter chairman, go.
It is out here, Papa, when a no nsem. Any day da no yo. Na ne, or no mum sign back, ever can't say, ye threaten na it's like he is actually very, very, very funny. And it is something that we cannot accept, say. Ubaya di ope, ubaya de day, ubatia tiam, ubasay party no for so long. Now, Chera, what's your Baba country and say, and a man for a threat. We will never allow that to happen. The embassy in country and said, the Bapane, you know, the neck video na medical butcher or not. Or you know what to say there, or you're victim to threat, you know, and as I say, a man for didn't attempt no. And it's how scared, how feared, how panicked, and our woman is here. Campono a because after that endorsement, you know, from 65 MPs in Parliament today, you know, and the former MC for former MPs, you know, a shock to the point to say, well, who said a few, you know, yeah, I'm going to say last 2 years, things are going to be worse. things are going to go better for Dr. Bawumia, and his camp is going to be worse experience because Saa 37 I had the man now doing a part in the fat this time around so all what he can do and say he must to start printing a victim card, thinking say that victim card will help him to get Sabio Yankan say I will vote Sabia Papa dia kro no kwa ne nam eye nya so no kwa ne nam say amanfo beto aba e dia ma no because say wo kwese say nipa bi ti say we say oyewu o campaign person na say nipa we etrete MPP from 1.4 na akire wo san so be ye want to say de wunni mu hwe say wo camp and now report to MPP for e de omo akoma yokwa na say you are lying to yourself. Tie video we
gum send my money bill ti betaji ninkofo ye meeting kese be me petition aba say oyobi a obetimi ama security no ahoden aba fom say omoma ni bill a abronye edinkan ye Duncan William or the party for no oni Kennedy de me man 5 years or 8 years or 10 years so betimi aba back akambo mi go no personal relationship into omo ye omo ho anu de ebetimi esa be Duncan William obetimi edi gan nanim Duncan William ne status no in the Christianity no what is otumfo what did not tell left and right obia okro yim ho anka ho hwe so what I say no petition am there but and what be Inspector General of Police Mr. Tetenyo hu no ne ho joa menyewi my friend am say meeting no mo yenti no me wa ha matro medin ma bibia wie enti papa ne so no hu no yen ne ye fight ya me de ne be IGP ya bre won ho pa enti wo koyeye no na ne ho abefi na system no ho say Inspector General we ye week a obi asori bi obedidi natem enti media me mpese say 48 hours ne so ane fom de na kogina mrana no we yi ano ono wo call law kra wan pass o wa throw 3 times last one we nya 2029 abronyo ene wo kasa sa na wo abronye wo yire lawyer ni a wo ba bedidi wo kodidi enye police ni keke o enye inspector enye sergeant enye ASP enye DSP enye superintendent enye chief supo enye DCOP COP Inspector General of Police ana ukodidi na tem yem venture no ye me sre NDC for ne se omo hweye ena ene oma amfre se yembeli abronye because enye fe the whole security ya ho den nyina anya soldier de omo yem bodies be oman mu badwo a we mu na de command judges to police and judges ne de yem form ni agro ti ade na awaye no yes o de yamanyofo na ombe oma sem by the security into mesre chief of staff and answer president say we momo for manu tutum mama nyuni bi enfo na hunu tutum na police for na nkasa no omo deal with him tinka me ba besre tetenyo hunu en kotodwe enu nti na me bae but me bae na ehwa yeshi nti me kwasan ba
enti se wo nipo di wo chi one na ye campaign etimi konante ko IGP so say yem kwachi MPP ni because one who candidate or expose who candidate in the kwachi no na who candidate so sanso edan wani be ka kire yen say you would never and ever report any MPP official to the NDC. Let's say you are lying. Let's say you're trying to pray we are deceiving Ghanaians, and especially the MPP for now deceive we are. Enti Kennedy onye na adwene se no ntere mo asese ne nkrofo no de omudi na chi no na omudi se nkombenya ne easy this time but it will never be. Listen to this guy again.
Say omo no ohe omo nkramosom no omo etwa ntro ni nyina enche na omeni afra Bawumia se na ni be fra ansa no wo de we omo etwa ntro pa no Bawumia se ya convert ni okroma se oyem ntro do ma 1 unim se MPs makma ko 26 ena abawo wa invite MPs so momra no muni nkom mo free wa na wa ugina ho unim se MPs etwa wo ehie nso omu nu 30 o se MPs makoma ko 60 ejina ha why a leader with a liar sisi a leader na kro no asambem mo nsi akoche Bawumia nkofo 4 ɛna ne ADC ne nso yɛkɔkye ne sɛ ɔno nso aban sika Bank of Ghana wei nti wei deɛ nyame na mekɔn me deɛ ne asi ɛna meka me reminding nkɔfoɔ sɛ nti yɛse asa
enti me be ma me panyina obisa me entro a Bawumia di ai na ma no so nti a kwase ampanyin we frɛ de sɛ ɔyɛ bawola ya ne sɛ Bawumia aka sɛ enipa 60 MP 60 ɛna endorse no into a trofo Bawumia has not been vindicated enra ya MPs 63 plus another 2 ɛna begina enipa nyina nim aka de wo ho e de akyere Ghana for enti no ɛfa na Dr. Bawumia di intro. This is why I'm telling you say this is a wuntimu niema a wo se wo ka hyire nye entokwa no so e fun wa na ato eni akeka pressure no amonto from at the Kennedy Agyapong the camp wo it is about Bawumia obedi nkunim die no abotire no etare no obedi nkunim ama ye nyina ye ho atoye me George Frimpong me da se pass waba me da se bebre abusia me de mo besi a because ma biefo e me ma me da na rivers ame mo akwa ba pai da wase se waba me de mo besi a na ya ye ne ochra ene de ha ene bebre ki bibia me de line ato ho acha akra amanfo amfrentin so bia etumi frenne etimo no besi a na yasan ehye ochra me chachi atiefo nyina ene adofo a mo ba ye nyina mo a mo share mo a mo comment ye mo asabi mo like video no me chachi mo nyina da mo nyina asra me so se on subscribe o ye so na wa subscribe no do se si adoma so be kan busuafo no ho se de be ya ye ba life o be nya nkrabon tentem se ya ba na woni yen abeka abom ne yedi juma me din ya ne Mr. Mafo ha Ras Media GH abusia message se wo Facebook nso a page ba ko ho ye fe ne Ras Media. I think I'm going to shift on that platform because page when my mind say message something but me I am I try so many times I'm not able to change it and I'm shifting to Ras Media on Facebook. Most say me name baba ako any picture that ho ukwa na subscribe say dey be ya me ba live for be human me say every from Monday go na my interview so bi mo ha mo e de pa I will do it on that platform. Timeso say we hear mo Facebook wa we Ras Media so say dey be oba be come ho na e ho ye dey live videos tum na we hear me only on Facebook wa wanyera na won so betumi abeka ko no na madru hide na mede munyina AC mede munyina ase ene mo bre abusia until we meet again adios.